Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check that the laptop's USB-C port supports audio or Thunderbolt. Not all USB-C ports carry sound. Once done, choose your hardware: native USB-C headphones, a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, or an external USB DAC, because each changes how audio is processed. Make sure headphones are charged and the laptop's audio drivers are updated. This avoids basic connection problems and ensures the system recognizes digital audio devices quickly. You now connect and configure the device. Plug the USB-C headphone or adapter firmly into the port. For an adapter, then insert your 3.5mm plug into it. Next, open Sound Settings and select the USB-C device for both output and input so the system routes audio correctly. Change sample rate if needed for quality. Once selected, set volume levels, enable any enhancements like spatial audio or exclusive mode, and test playback to confirm latency and clarity are acceptable. Finish by testing across apps. Play media, make a call, and verify mic input. Then set the default device per app when necessary so audio apps use the USB-C output. If available, install vendor firmware or drivers to unlock advanced features and improved mic performance. If things go wrong, replug the connector, try another USB-C port, or reboot the laptop. And if that fails, switch to a known good USB-C to 3.5mm adapter or external DAC to isolate whether the issue is the headphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.